friends, today I'm going to make dhokla, which is made up from chickpea flour and very healthy to eat. It's very quick recipe, so let's get started. I'll add chickpea flour in a bowl. With some ginger and chili paste, with semolina, some sugar, citric acid, and last thing is salt. I'm adding some food color to enhance the look of it, but it's optional. Start mixing. Start adding some water and keep mixing until you get the smooth paste. I've taken approximately 3/4 cup of water, but you can take some extra water just to get the smooth paste like this. Now the last ingredient is fruit salt or Eno, which is lemon flavored, with 1 tablespoon of water, and mix it quickly to get rid of all the bubbles in it. Here we go. I've taken grease tray and I'm adding all the material to it. Tap it just to get rid of the bubbles. For steaming, I'm using bamboo steamer, but you can use any you have at home, and we'll steam it approximately for 15 minutes. It's nicely done now. Now for tempering, I'm taking oil, add pinch of asafoetida, some mustard seeds. Wait until it starts sputtering. Add some curry leaves. And some water. I'm adding some sugar just to get that sweet flavor to it. It really tastes really good. And last thing is some chilies and coriander, which I have chopped. Our tempering cake is almost ready. We turn off the flame now. Now with fork, I'll poke the dhokla randomly from few spots, just for tempering to get absorbed nicely into it. Almost ready. Cut it into small pieces, garnish with fresh coconut, and serve with green chutney or tamarind chutney. Enjoy! If you like my cooking styles and my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, and also if you're watching through Facebook, please don't forget to like and share. Thank you.